The human body. Let's look at the human body. There are many organs in the body. Let's take a look at some of the most important organs and body systems. Ready, and let's start. The brain. The brain is part of the nervous system, a mass of nerve tissue housed inside the skull. The brain processes sensory information and controls all bodily functions. The thyroid. The thyroid is part of the endocrine, hormone, system. A butterfly-shaped endocrine gland. The thyroid supports growth and metabolism, how the body uses energy. The lungs. The lungs are part of the respiratory system, a pair of organs in the chest protected by the rib cage. The lungs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide via the process of respiration. The spine. The spine is part of the skeletal system, the vertebrae that extend from the base of the head to the tailbone. The spine protects the spinal cord and provides structural support for the body. The liver. The liver is part of the digestive system, a large organ located in the upper abdomen. The liver removes toxins from the blood and secretes bile to help digestion. The heart. The heart is part of the circulatory system, a muscular organ, about the size of a fist, that pumps blood around the body. Blood moves throughout the body via blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries. The kidneys. The kidneys are part of the urinary system, a pair of bean-shaped organs in the abdomen. The kidneys remove waste products from the blood and produce urine. The stomach. The stomach is part of the digestive system, a pear-shaped organ located in the upper abdomen. The stomach produces enzymes and acids to break down and digest food. The bladder. The bladder is part of the urinary system, a spherical-shaped organ located in the lower abdomen. The bladder stores urine received from the kidneys until it is excreted. The intestines. The intestines are part of the digestive system, a very long tubular organ from the stomach to the anus. The intestines absorb water and nutrients from digested food before it leaves the body as waste.